This is Roger Josephian, Project Manager on the Mercedes-Benz of West Chester project. We are on schedule to finish the north side of the showroom this February. As finishes progress, our specialty contractors are stepping up to meet the owner's quality standards. Even though we've had a ton of design changes, our team continues to make it happen. Let's check in with John on site.
All right, guys, welcome back to Mercedes-Benz of West Chester. Since you've been here last, we've been working on the exterior of the building, some detail framing, some exterior sheathing and waterproofing. Inside, all the drywall's hung and finished, and the painters are going. In the next month or two, we'll be running ACT ceilings, floor tile, and paint.